I gave myself the name Niella before you guys judge me. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing 10 random facts about me. I know I've been having a couple of new subscribers who literally don't know anything about me. Maybe a few of them may know that, oh, this girl used to live in Nigeria but now she has relocated to Canada. If you'd like to know these 10 random facts about me, keep watching, don't go anywhere. And if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell. It is free, guys. It is legit free, so you don't miss any new video whenever I post on my channel. So guys, let's get into the video. So the first fact I'm going to be talking about is I used to be a tomboy. Weird, right? So I know it's weird because I'm now like into makeup and stuff, but I used to be a tomboy back in the days. Well, let me just say, only to the fact that I have brothers. I don't have any sisters, so I used to hang out with guys a lot. Second random fact about me is that I have never eaten amala in my life. Yes, for people who are Nigerians or people who actually know what amala is, it's dried yam. Some people say it's the back of yam. Some people say it's yam that you cut and dry and you grind it. It becomes powdery. Then you make it, you know, like you're making gari or you're making semo. But I have never tasted amala in my life. I have never eaten a wedu soup in my life, and I have never eaten ewago in my life. I know some of you will be like, but you said you grew up in Lagos. Yes, I grew up in Lagos, and I have never ever tasted any of those food in my life. The third random fact about me is I gave myself the name Niella. Hold it before you guys judge me. The name Niella is from Daniela. This name is actually not in any of my documents, guys. This name is not in any of my documents. It's not in my birth certificate. It's not in my marriage certificate. It's not in my school certificate. It's not in any certification exams or certification programs I've done in the past. But it was my confirmation name, and I had my confirmation done in my final year in the university. That is weird, right? So if you're Catholic, you will actually understand. Back in the days, it was really hard for people to get confirmed if you're not above 14. And I think I received my first Holy Communion at about 9 or 10 years old, and they said I couldn't go for confirmation classes because I was not up to 14 years, and it didn't make sense having to attend confirmation classes for a whole 4 years or 5 years just to be able to, you know, receive confirmation. And I was like, I just let it slide. And lo and behold, one time they said the bishop was coming to school and they were going to do like a very quick confirmation for people, and you know, we had to choose names, and the name just spoke to me. You know, the name spoke to me. That is how I got the name Daniela. So it's not in any of my documents. It's not like it's not my name, but it's my confirmation name, and I was the one who chose my confirmation name. I hope to add that name in, you know, a few of my documents in the nearest future, but either ways, you can still call me Niella and I'll still answer you. The next random fact about me is I have more male friends than female friends. I don't know, maybe I could owe it to the fact that I grew up with guys, and I don't think growing up for me, maybe for my brothers, but for me, I don't think we had a lot of aunties and cousins female coming to stay in the house, you know, for holidays or just coming to live in. I don't think we had that when I was growing up. Maybe my brothers did, but for me, I did not. So it was really hard for me to relate to the female folk since I had only known men or guys growing up. The next random fact about me is I have been on a weight loss journey since 19 kg, like and I am still adding weight. So I lose weight, I add weight, I lose weight, I add weight. Please, I need an accountability partner. This is a cry for help. This is a serious cry for help. If you would like to be my accountability partner, please let me know in the comment section so that we can, you know, do this journey together. It's better if we are two than one person. The next random fact about me is that I don't have any favorite food. Like, I legit have no favorite food, but then there are food I cannot eat and I would never eat. You would never catch me eating them, even if I'm sleeping, even if I'm drunk. I don't think I would ever eat those food. And I am a foodie. Anybody who wants to bribe me or you want to get me, My medicine is food though. Let me start telling you now. Let me start announcing it. My medicine is food. Another random fact about me is that my favorite color is black. Like I can wear black from head to toe, like black scarf, black earrings, black choker, a black top, a black pants, black shoe, black handbag. It is that serious. You get. Next random fact about me is that I have fat cows, and this is what we call yam legs. I used to be pretty ashamed of it. Like back then in university, I used to wear, like my first year, or when I noticed I started having yam legs, and this thing actually happened when I was going into SS1, into senior secondary school 1, and that's when I noticed I started having yam leg. I know the reason for the yam leg. That one is like a discussion for another day. So anyways, back then in school, I usually wear long skirts, you know, because I was ashamed. I was like, okay, let's say there's people that know me from home that know that I have this leg, but let people from school know, actually notice this. So I used to be pretty much ashamed. I used to wear long skirts, long dresses. Then when I started wearing trousers in school, I started wearing long trousers, joggers. I never used to be a fan of jeans, but now I don't care. I don't bloody fucking care, because I already figured out that the whole world knows and nobody's going to kill me for it. So I rock my little dresses the way I want to. I rock my shirts the way I want to. I rock whatever dress I want to rock, regardless of how I feel about my ties or how I feel about my cows or my fat cows. Next random fact about me is that I love to dance. Like I legit love to dance. That was one of the reasons why I joined the theatre group in school back then in university. But I never got to dance on stage. Is that not weird? So guys, there are other more random things about me or random facts about me, but I'm just going to limit it to this ones. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, do let me know, and I'll try to put up more content like this for you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fab day ahead, guys. I love you all. Bye.